Hello, Lightbearers. It's Jason Love and
Emma. We're gonna do Emma fail.
Yeah.
Just watch this.
Or when I'm shooting up there.
I don't know. Let's talk over here. So we just finished up doing a science video.
I'm gonna grab the orange
Yeah.
and dump it in there.
Ah, don't do that. Come on. Silly Billy. Grab it and put it on the towel. Look, we're getting.
And look at I have now.
Yeah, do you want to show everyone your? Here. This is behind the scenes, I guess. This is what happens when the cameras. Normally we're done and cleaning up. Ah. Everett's got his air cannon. Do you want to show everyone how the air cannon works? Ooh,
It works to shoot out
Here, I'm gonna move all this. Everett, tell them what the air cannon does.
this air cannon can shoot air when you pull the trigger.
I'll show you how to do
Do you want
it.
to shoot Evans here?
What?
Yeah.
Everett, get your hood off. I'm gonna show your hair.
You gotta pull it back further.
Like two.
Did you saw that, everyone?
How am I going to try to?
Here, let me do it. Both of you here. Stand. Don't do that. That's dirty. Here, take your hair off. Take that off. Stand right there. All right. Everett, nope. Stand up. Nope. Here. Go ahead, shoot it once if you want to shoot it. There you go. Okay. Let me show. Here. All right. So Everett, you sit down. Evelyn, you stand up. Actually, Evelyn, why don't you sit down too? Here we go. I'm gonna do it this way here. Alright, here we go. So we didn't record yesterday. Oops. Ah! This is like kind of a live feed. Sorry about that. We're not doing this live, but we're gonna. I wanted to show you guys something that you guys didn't get to see yesterday because I did it without.
Ew, nasty.
Watch.
Nasty booty.
What do you think that is?
But
Don't touch it though.
it's
Thank you, water.
it's
It's
soda,
not-
but Dennis is not.
It's not soda. It is oil. Oh, stop. It is oil and water
Mixed together.
mixed together, and then I put food coloring in it. I'm gonna put a little more food coloring. We'll do a little.
Green?
You want to do green or red?
Maybe
Red.
blue.
Or red?
Blue.
Let's do blue. Sounds
I'm
like-
gonna squeeze it.
No, I'm gonna squeeze it.
Oh.
Do you want to do one drop?
Yeah.
Everett, do you want to do one drop?
Yeah.
Okay, just one. No, there you go. Perfect. You were a master at that. That's from the other one we did.
Look,
Just one?
2 drops.
Nice. And I'll put one more.
Oh, I dropped
There
it
you
on
go. Okay.
the oil.
Do you see it in there?
Yeah. It dropped on the yo-yo. Oil.
Oil?
Can I stir it?
Nope. Don't stir it.
Why?
Because I'm going to do something in just a second I want to show you. And if you stir
It's
it.
raining and he's there.
Does it look like it's raining?
Yeah.
He doesn't. Try to get a close up real quick here. Hold on 1 second. Is that part up?
Look, there's a big blob.
There's a big blob. Okay, that's what we're going to do.
Yeah, and it's raining blue fruit.
So we're going to do it
coloring.
twice. Can you tear that open?
Open it.
Yep, open it.
I want to put it in.
So who wants it? Do you want to do it first, Evelyn, and then Everett does a second?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need
How do we
help?
open this?
Well, I'll help you here.
It's
You
gonna
gotta be careful. Don't jump because if you knock that over, it's gonna be really messy. All right, here we go. I'll give you guys each one, and then Evelyn's gonna put hers in, and then Everett, you can put yours in whenever you want, or you can wait. Evelyn broke in two. That's right.
Oh. Can I put it mine in there?
Nope. Wait for Evelyn. And you gotta wait at least 30 seconds, and then you can do yours here. So Evelyn, go ahead.
Okay. What happens if it
I don't
does
know.
it?
Wait.
It floats up.
I mean, floats up.
What happens when you put one more?
Go ahead if you want.
Ah!
It goes up more.
And down.
And down at the same time and making a storm.
Yeah, this is like a storm.
Yeah, and otherwise
Turn it to purple.
and it's boring. It's boring. It's boring.
It's what?
Like it got
Whoa.
cooked in the oven
looks like
too
it's-
long.
Oh yeah.
Like
And nasty. The ocean.
Nasty
And
ocean.
it looks like a storm.
It does look like a storm. Yeah. Normally, I think we
Because
should have
look,
used.
There's a tornado.
There's clear oil, but that was the only oil we had. Was that kind of yellow? It was yellowish.
A tomato? Is there a tomato in there?
Yeah.
A tornado?
Uh-huh.
Does it look like a tornado?
Yeah.
Because it is a tomato.
A tornado storm.
Ah, look at the top. Gross.
It's spinning around cause
It's
No.
turned into purple.
Sharon, yeah, careful, because again, it's oil, so you don't want to get it. Should we look at it?
What happens when we air can it?
No, we're not gonna get it. We're gonna dump it out. I just wanted to show you before I dumped it out. Was that cool?
Yeah.
What happens when you dumped it out?
I don't know. Should we go look?
Yeah.
All right.
Ew.
What happens when you put water in it?
Oh, we're about to do that.
That's
Can we do it right now?
Yeah.
Ah!
Check those out.
It gets lighter. Well,
Yeah, this is cooking oil.
Yeah.
Made a messy sink. You clean up sink?
Maybe we should wash it with even in the water from there.
Say that again.
Maybe we should wash it with even in the water from the sink.
Okay. Okay, Donna will clean it up. Can you guys say, here, let's go.
thanks for watching.
Please.
Subscribe for video. Bye. Bye.